Hey, that's Sunshine. So here in my hands, I have my Medusa's makeup box. It has been, I feel like it's been so long since I've unboxed one of these, and I just think that they are so freaking cute. So here's the card that I was sent out in my box. I don't know if it talks about everything that I received. I don't know if it does, so I'm not going to read that. I'm not going to read that either. But it does look like there are 12 new colors. Well, I don't know if it's liquid lipstick in 12 colors and 4 new shades. Okay, so 4 new shades. I can't read. So I also received this. Ooh, that is so freaking cute. And then just a few of our favorite things. So it's talking about some of the products they have in their collection. I think this is absolutely adorable. This is a smaller subscription box in terms of it's not famous like Boxycharm and Ipsy are. It says that they were voted #1 cruelty-free box. Let's do this. #1 cruelty-free box. Make the world a more colorful place. 4 full-size products monthly, always vegan and cruelty-free. Cancel anytime, free shipping, auto-renew. Choose your plan today. Starts at $16.95, ships around the world. 3, 6, or 12-month prepaid plans. Each month is artfully curated by our team, premium products, themed boxes, bestsellers, and more. So I love that we got that little bit of refresher. You know, I don't think I've unboxed one yet for 2020. So this was a really beautiful little refresher. And look how freaking cute. Super duper 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 cute box. That is so... You know what I'm gonna say? Cute! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this bad boy open so we can see what's inside. Boom! Okay. Oh, that box, I don't know, this box just feels so nice. Okay, so the first card that I'm pulling out says free travel size mascara with any order. So that is amazing. The other card that I have says, oh, okay, so this is, I think, okay. Okay, the next card that I'm pulling out, I think is what's actually inside of this box. So I'm gonna put that bad boy down. And then we have another little 2020 postcard thingy majiggy in here. And I'll actually show you what's on the inside because I think that other card talks about what we actually have in this box. Okay, so we have this yellow tissue paper. I don't know why I decided to pick it up out of the box. That was not my brightest moment, but here's everything that we got inside of here. And I know that people in the past feel like this box is a little overpriced. I don't. I have my own cosmetic business, so I understand what it's like to run a small business. I understand the costs that come with it and everything. So I feel like $17 for 4 different types of vegan and cruelty-free products is like really affordable. Like I wouldn't, like if I were to go to Ulta and I would be like, okay, I have $20 to spend and I can only purchase vegan and cruelty-free products. And if I walked out with 4 or 5 products, I wouldn't be mad. Like I feel like that's a really great deal. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna grab this thing that says Disco Queen. This has my attention. Oh my gosh, look how cute the packaging is. So it says Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. You say anything extreme sparkle and girl, you have got my attention. I just literally, like if it was socially appropriate, I would paint myself in glitter every day and just walk around in glitter. Like maybe put clothes on. But if I could just cover my entire body and just walk out into the sunlight and just like walk out and just move and sparkle, I would do that. That's what I would do. I would no longer be a fashion blogger. I would be a glitter blogger. Okay, this shade, stop, girl. You're honey. You are beautiful. I already have lip gloss on, so let's just take a second. Sorry, the back of my hand seems like really hairy. It's not IRL, but on camera, it just looks it. So this is a beautiful color. We've got some purple reflex in here, so that is stunning. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Precise eyeliner marker. Okay, holy crap. If I like, you know that on TikTok was going around when they just like do like quickly like unsheath a knife and then like something in the background like falls apart. That's what I feel like we could mock that with this eyeliner. Like look, like just stare at my forehead and just look at how sharp. I'm gonna use my forehead as the background. But look how sharp that eyeliner is. Holy crap, Kat Von D who. The next thing that I've gotten here is this Aloha perfume. Ooh, it's a Roller Bra perfume. Now, before I open this, I'm just gonna say, like, I'm very picky about my perfumes. I don't usually wear a lot of perfume. I like bakery scents. So if I smell this and I make a face, it's because A, either overpowered me and I can't breathe. I'm also very sensitive, which is why I don't wear a lot of perfumes. But I like bakery and sweet scents, so. Okay, can't smell anything. Let's put it on the back of our hand. Okay, that smells like, oh my gosh, that smells like, that just took me back to like my childhood, like honeysuckle. Like honeysuckle and like rose. I don't know if that's what the scents actually are. A floral bouquet capturing the essence of blush peony, orange blossom, rose petals, white Clement, I don't know, and lily of the valley. So I guess I got it right with the rose, but to me that smelled like honeysuckle, like it smelled like a honeysuckle tree. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out is, oh, look, packaging is so cute. Yes, is this matte eyeshadow. I'm always dropping everything. Anytime I ever try to do these unboxings, I just drop everything. Okay, so we have this matte eyeshadow, which I'm down for. Oh my gosh, I love how bright teal it is. That's so fun. Maybe I should make my hair this color next. Can I even open it up because of my nails? I just feel so inadequate with these on. Holy crap. Okay, so we're just gonna have to look through the binder to see what color it is. But that looks like a beautiful transition shade. So that is everything that I received in Medusa's makeup box for March. I think this box is so freaking cute. I absolutely love this subscription box. And if you are vegan and cruelty-free and you're super passionate about that and the beauty products that you use, I would 10 out of 10 recommend checking out this box. But that is everything that I received in this month's box. What did you guys think of it? What was your favorite product? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.